Rome Free Academy 9th and 10th grade students completed the Opportunities in STEAM program in May 2018. This program is a collaborative effort between the Rome Rescue Mission, Mvcc, and Rome Free Academy that exposes students to a curriculum in science, technology, engineering, the arts, and math. This is the second year of the program and was made possible by a grant from the United Way and the Sears Family Foundation. Students got hands-on experience in an interactive learning environment in 3 different tracks: drones, robotics, and culinary. Participants develop skills in these areas as well as in leadership and team building that will position them for higher education and employment in the future. Through your generous support, an unlimited future starts at the Rome Rescue Mission. Donate now, romemission.org. That's romemission.org. Rome Rescue Mission, a hand up, not a handout.